Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the slot machine from Cuphead. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and to begin we're going to draw his full body first. So we're going to draw one big shape. So let's draw one line across, and then we're going to draw a huge curve, and this is going to be the whole slot machine. Okay, so this opposite side is going to be the same, so we're just going to curve it all the way down, and then we'll just connect these lines. Okay, so this is going to be the whole body. So from there we're going to give this on the edge, just give it some thickness. So this one's easy. So we're just going to continue up and stop. Okay, and then from there we can draw his eye. So right on top, just draw right around there, just draw two little arcs like that first. Okay, and then we're going to continue this, just curve it in. Okay, and then in the middle we're just going to connect it with a little bit of curve. So now we can draw the eyeballs. So we're going to draw one, this is just basically an egg shape, and then on this side as well. And then now for the inside, so we're just going to draw two slants like this because it's going to be a mean face. And then we're going to finish with the eyeballs. So a little bit of an angle, and then just kind of curve it. That's all the other Cuphead eyes. So I'm going to shade it in. Okay, and then from there we're going to give this one some thickness. So right around up here, just draw two little lines like this, kind of coming down, and then we're just going to follow the curve as the other one. So that'll give this whole thing some thickness. Okay, so now let's move on to the rest. And from here, in the middle right here, let's start out in the middle, and we're just gonna draw a little rectangle like this, and that's gonna be the middle part. Okay, and then now we're gonna keep going up. So we're gonna draw a little bit of curve and another line like this across. And then up here, we're gonna draw another line. And these are just going to be the different sections. And then here we're going to curve it down. And then on here, on this part, we're just going to curve it up. Okay, so we're just dividing it up into different sections. And right here, we're going to draw his mouth. So it's just going to be kind of like a long hot dog shape. And then two lines. It's going to be his mouth. And then in here, there's going to be four boxes. Okay, so that's pretty easy. And then now for the little coin slot here, just draw two lines, just kind of round off the corner a little bit, and from there just give it another outline. I'm gonna keep this a little bit simpler. Let me shade this part in. Okay, and then now we can finish up the bottom piece. So right here we just gonna draw one big curve all the way to the bottom. So that's going to be the bottom section. Okay, and then now right here, for the display, divide it up, and then in here, just draw three egg shapes. And we're going to give it a little bit of a 3D look. So in here, just draw a slight curve like this so that it looks like it's three-dimensional. Okay, from top to bottom. All right, so from here now we can draw, let's see, well, let's finish up the detail right here. So we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, once we have 4 lines, we're gonna draw one more up here, and then we're gonna draw two curves coming down. So just following this curve here. So that's one, and just follow that curve, okay? So now let's see, I know there's more detail, but let's move on to his arms. So here, let's draw this one first. So we're gonna come out and go up, and we're just gonna give this line some thickness and then close it off. And then now for the boxing glove, bracket, bracket, close. And then we're gonna go up for his thumb. And then curve it back down because it's gonna be folding, right, a boxing glove. So right here it's gonna go up and over and back to the thumb. And we're gonna draw one more line right there. All right, so that's pretty easy. Okay, so now let's draw the other arm. This one's a little bit trickier. So just right around here, just draw a little curve like this. And now we're gonna go up. Okay, so lots of little directional changes. And now we're gonna give it some thickness. And we're gonna close it off. And now same thing, bracket, bracket, close. And then for his glove, we're gonna go up. And then we're gonna go up again and just kind of come back down. Okay, and then from there, let's draw his, we got to draw his foot first before we can draw the other side of the body. So right around here, and we'll keep it simple, just draw like an egg shape. Okay, and then we're gonna go 1, 2 for its, I guess, toes. And then we're gonna draw one more line like this across. All right, so now that we have this, now we can finish off the body. So on the side here, we're just gonna extend it, and then we're gonna come straight down, and this is gonna go behind everything. Okay? So now all we do is just connect this, just draw a little bit of line like that. So now we're a full body. And let's see, the other side, we should draw his other foot too. So we're gonna draw one little curve, and then one line. Okay, so once we have this, now, let's see, yeah, there's a little bit more detail right here. So right around here, let's draw another egg shape kind of like behind this little handle. Okay, so now let's finish off. Yeah, there's gonna be more lines here. So we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we're gonna connect this at a slightly different angle so that it looks a little bit more three-dimensional. Okay, so we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. And then now we can go all the way back. 2, 3, 4. And then in here, you can draw your own little whatever icons you want to use. So, but I'm just gonna draw CKA for Cuphead art. And that's it for this slot machine, and hope you guys like the way it turned out. And if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.